Welcome students. As continuation to our last lecture, let us also find the particular integral when the right hand side is in a polynomial of the form x to the power m being a positive integer, right? M being a positive integer. You just remember m being a positive integer. So I will not show you these steps. Rather, just to okay, you just need to know about this binomial expansion, that 1 plus x whole to the power n. As you know, this is the binomial expression is 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus dot dot dot, like this way. So like 1 minus x, this is for 1 plus x, right? So 1 plus x whole square is like 1 plus twice x plus x square. 1 plus x whole cube is like 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube, like this way. So you just know these formulas. Then also you have to know this negative binomial expansion, like 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1. That is what? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot dot. Okay. Then 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2. 1 plus twice x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus dot dot dot. Okay. So for minus and the degree is minus, that will be all plus. Okay. And for plus, inside plus upper minus, so that will be minus plus like this. So 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot dot dot, like this. Okay. And 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2 is like 1 minus twice x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus like this. Okay. So you have to remember like this. Also you have to know that suppose our d power m means m times differentiation. Okay. So m times suppose this is what, m plus 1 times differentiation, and that is differentiation over x to the power m. The value is 0. Why? See, if you when you differentiate x to the power m for m times, you get constant, right? And for another time, for another 1 times, you get 0, right? And similarly for m plus 2 also you get 0. Okay. And all the higher differential coefficient of x to the power m vanish. Okay. Next, like suppose our problem is like d power 4 minus d square y equal to 2. So 2 is any constant. So what is the auxiliary equation? D power 4 minus d square equal to 0. So take common d square. So d square of d square minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the roots? 0, 0, 1, minus 1. So 0, 0 roots are same. So for that, c1 plus c2x e to the power 0x. And 1 and minus 1 and difference. So c3 e to the power x plus c4 e to the power minus x. Okay. So this is our complementary function. And particular integral what? 1 by d power 4 minus d square, that is operating on 2. So what you need to know is that you have to make these as a like 1 minus x whole to the power, this when you take it numerator, this will be like 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1. 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1, like this way. So 1 minus x means you need to take minus d square common, right? So minus d square, when you take minus d square common, this will be like what? 1 minus d square. Okay. So minus 2 by d square into 1 by 1 minus d square operating on 1. So this is like 1 minus d square whole to the power minus 1 operating on 1. So this is what? 1 plus d square, this formula, using this formula, 1 minus x whole to the minus 1. So this is like 1 plus d square plus d power 4 plus dot dot dot. Okay. And operating on 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now if you do 1 times derivative, that will be 0. So all the terms will be 0, right? So here there is only 1, and before there is minus 2 by d square. Now 1 by d means 1 time integration. So 1 time integration of 1 means x, and 2 times integration means x square by 2. Okay. There's 2 to cancel out, so minus x square. So solution is c1 plus c2x plus c3 e to the power x plus c4 e to the power minus x square, right? Okay. So similarly here the particular integral is like 1 by d square plus 1 d square plus d x square plus 2x plus 4. So you can take d common, so d 1 plus d, you can take plus d common, so this is when you take plus d common, this is 1 plus d operating on x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so 1 by d, and when you take this, it will be like 1 plus d whole to the power minus 1 and operating on x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is like 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1. So 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot 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 operating on x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so when 1 multiplied by this will be this term minus, when d of this means what, d of this means twice x plus 2, then plus d square of this means what, again you have to differentiate in this twice x plus 2, that is 2, and for all the term value will be 0, right? The 1 by d is there, so 1 by d of all this means what, integration, right? 1 by d of, if you take calculation, it's like x square plus 4, so 1 by d of x square plus 4 means one time integration, so this is like x cube by 3 plus 4x, x cube by 3 plus 4x, right? So this is your particular integral, so write down the general solution. Okay, so similarly for this is same, d cube plus 8, so means x cube plus a cube, so this is like x plus a into x square minus ab plus b square. So minus 2 is one roots, and using Sridhar Acharya you get the 1 plus minus I root 3 is also a solution. So for minus 2 the solution is like c1 e to the power minus 2x. For 1 plus minus I root 3 the solution is like e to the power 1x, means e to the power x, c2 cos root x root 3 plus c3 sin x root 3. Okay, where c1 c2 c3 being arbitrary constants. Okay, and particular integral is what, 1 by d cube plus 8 operating on x to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so if you take plus 8 common, that will be what, 1 plus d cube by 8. Okay, because we need to form it 1 plus x form. Okay, operating on x to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1. So when it can be written as 1 plus d cube by 8 whole to the power minus 1 and operating on x to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so basically this is like 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1, so 1 minus x plus x cube. Okay, but you see that 1 operating on this will be this term, right? Minus 1 by 8, now d3 of this, so d3 means what, 3 time differentiation. So this time this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be what, 24x. Okay, 24x. Okay, and all the terms will be 0. Okay, so you get final answer is this. Okay, so required solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Okay, next consider another one. Okay, suppose this one here, d cube plus 3d square plus 2d, and right hand side is x square. So you first write like this, 2d common, because we need to 1 plus d form, right? So 2d common, so 1 plus 3 by 2 d plus 1 by 2 d square. So here you need to do some simple algebraic calculation, and that comes when you do practice. Okay, so do practice and then these things automatically come. Just keep in mind that you need to do, you need to use these formulas, and by this way you can do it. Okay, so here all the time we need to do like 1 plus x type of form. Okay, so that is why we take plus 2d common. You some of you might ask me, why sir we take 2d common here? Because we need to form it like 1 plus x, right? So 2d common means 1 plus 3, when you take 2d common, this you get this. So this is like 1 plus x, so this is like 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1. So this is like 1 minus x plus x square minus this dot 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 over x square. So 1 by 2 is twice this there, 1 operating on x square means x square, right? X square, and 3d plus by 2 plus d square by 2, when operate on x square, what you get, minus 3 by 2 d of x square means twice x, right? Then minus 1 minus 7 by 2, 7 by 4 plus 7 by 2, 2 times differentiation, that is you got 2. Okay, so what you get, 1 by d, so 1 by d means one time integration of the whole term. Okay, so just indicate it x cube by 6 minus 3x square by 2 and 2 to 4, okay, plus 7x by 2 4. That is your pi. So the general solution is ca plus pi. That is your final answer. Okay, so this is quite simple, but you need to be focused on how to do it. Okay, for this also, so we need to d square common, so that is so that we get so here we get 1 minus d whole square, right? We can write d minus 1 whole square, or you can write 1 minus d whole square. So why we write 1 minus d whole square? Because we need to use the formula. So d square take common, then this is 1 minus d whole square, right? And take it above, then it gets 1 minus d whole power minus 2 operating on x. So 1 plus twice x plus x square plus 4x d square, like this way, operating on x. So when 1 multiplied by x, that is x, d multiplied over x, that means 1, that means x plus 2. So 1 by d square means 2 times integration. So 1 time integration gives you x square by 2 plus twice x, and 2 second again, that is integration of x square by 2 plus twice x converting over dx. So this is x cube by 6 plus x square. So solution is ca plus pi. That is your final solution, right? I believe that all of you have understood all these things. Then if understood, then try to solve. After, first of all, you just do the exercise. Okay, try to solve the exercise and get some idea, and come up with this exercise and do all this problem. Okay, so still, if you have any face any problem, then you can contact with me at any time. Then discuss in like WhatsApp group, common group of mathematics problem solving group. Okay, there you can discuss. Okay, so thank you all.